fall apart more when I was like not talking than I am now that I'm like trying to focus on it. This is exactly what I meant. I just passed it again while I was talking. Alright. Bro, what? What? Alright, so 55 to 100. And now I'm 6% away from having the level in 2 runs. This is like day 2. Technically, this is day 3. I didn't play this level yesterday because I'm a piece of shit. And yeah,